Screech! Is that the noise your swivel rockers are making when you drag them across the floor? Well, today I'd like to show you how to change those glides on the bottom of a swivel rocker. I'm Jeff from Sunnyland. Welcome to my shop. Replacing the glides on the swivel rocker is pretty easy, assuming your old glides come out of the chair okay. Sometimes some tools are required to remove the old glides or to install the new ones. Pretty basic. Drill, typically this is a 1564 bit and a 1/4 inch bit depending on which glide you pick out. Silicone, sometimes if your hole is a little bit opened up, you can use some clear silicone to hold it in there, and then also it's pretty easy to remove later on. Flathead screwdriver, hammer, some cutters of some sort, and then a pair of pliers. Sometimes you can grab the cap to pull it out with. The two glides we'll work with on this installation I'll show you are going to be the 30-736. This is the white or the black version. That fits onto a cast base like this. And then we also have the 30-728, which is for a cove, like if you had a round tube base. It's a hollow base that would fit into. And then a 30-727 fits into a hollow frame with a flat edge, so like a square frame or a rectangle frame, typical used for those glides there. So let's get started on showing you how to do this. Alright, changing out the glides is a pretty simple process. Putting in the glides is pretty easy. It's more about cleaning out the old holes in order to prep for the installation. A lot of times you'll have this all the way worn down, so the glide won't even be showing hardly, and that's what the metal scraping on the ground makes that awful noise is about. So if there's enough cap there to grab, you can always grab with a pair of pliers and twist it out. A lot of times we end up having to use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer in order to tap that out of there, and sometimes the post will break off inside of the frame. If the post breaks off inside of the frame, simply take your 15/64 bit. I like to use that size because it's a little tighter for these kind of glides, and I can open it up a little as much as needed without being too large. If I get too large with my drill bit, I can always use the silicone and put that on the little dab of that onto the cap and then put it in. But simply like you would have the broken off stem there, and you would drill into it and move it around a little bit. Then simply grab your cap that you're going to use. We're using the 30-736 because this is a cast base, and you would just set it in there to start and then tapping it in with your hammer, and you're pretty well set. And just repeat the process going around the chair, and that'll get you fixed up and solve your squeaking problem. So that's how you fix the glides on your swivel rocker. Hopefully that helps solve your squeaking problem. Well, this is Jeff with Sunnyland Patio. Thanks for watching.